Welcome to WooChat tutorial. We will be talking about WhatsApp abandoned cart recovery automated messages in this video. So let's get started. First of all, we will see when this message will be triggered. So whenever a user comes on the store, selects any product, adds the product to the cart and fills the basic information but doesn't complete the payment. So that is called an abandoned cart, and exactly after 15 minutes this message will be triggered. So whenever you are in the Pro plan, the message can be sent through the WooChat number or your registered WhatsApp API number. And to do that, we have to select a template which is registered with your number. So the easiest option is to set the default template. So you can see we have a template which is already registered with your WhatsApp number, and this can be directly sent to the customer. So in this template we can see there are some variables which can change with each message we send. So to configure these variables, we have a section below here. So this section is divided into 4 parts: head, body, footer and buttons. But this specific template has variables only in 2 sections, which is body and buttons. So we are only seeing these 2 sections. So we can see in this body, the first thing we have to select is type. So we have 4 type of variables here: checkout, discount, contact and agent. Let's see them one by one. The first is checkout. So here we can see something like order value, checkout URL, currency and cart items. So this information we get from Shopify. The next is discount. So if you enable the discount for this template, you can get the % discount or fixed discount value for that specific message, and you can select that from your discount coupon or discount percentage. The next is contact. So here you can select the contact details which we store, like name, email ID or mobile number. And the last is agent. So here we have the information that who is actually triggering the message. And you can see we have a last option as fallback value here. So in some scenarios we don't have this actual information which we select here, so we can set fallback value as the default value for these variables. And finally, in this button section, you can see we have this checkout now link. So you can update this checkout now value with checkout URL using this variable. And after all your configuration has been done, you can just enable this template. So after this, the messages will start getting sent to the user. Next is remove template. So if you want to remove the template which is currently selected, you can just click that. And suppose if you want to register your specific custom design template, you can go to change template. Here you will be able to see all the templates registered with your WhatsApp number and which are approved. So you can select any one of them and click select and configure the specific variables which are there in this template. And after that's done, you can just save it. The next section is analytics. So here you will be able to see how many abandoned cart you got for this specific time period, the number of messages sent, the cards recovered from it, what is the recovery rate for it, and the actual value of your orders got recovered. And you can select the time period from here, like last 30 days, this month, last month or last 90 days. So the next section is messages. Here you will be able to see the list of abandoned carts and some details of it and the status, if it got recovered or not. And if the message is sent, you will be able to see the actual message was sent to the user. So this is everything about abandoned cart recovery automated messages. Thank you for choosing WooChat, and feel free to reach out if you have any queries.